Hi everyone, this is Samir Ansari from Dundee Real Estate. So today I'm showing you a 3 BHK fully furnished flat in Vilepala East, very close to Andheri East also. So as soon as you enter the house, you can see a proper L-shaped thing, and it is very beautifully done up. Currently there were 3 girls staying in the apartment. And the building is relatively new. There is balcony all around, and the best part is that this is Vastu compliant. Plus there's netting and everything there. You can dry your clothes, and it's an open view, open from each and every apartment from room. No apartment can be seen. This is a fully modular kitchen, as you can see, fully done up, fridge, washing machine outside, and again if you want you can dry your clothes. There is each and everything in this flat. It's fantabulous, and the design is also so sophisticated. The aesthetic is also very nice. Now I'm showing you the bedrooms, and yeah, so the first bedroom starts from here. The bed is very comfortable, king size bed. Just look at the mattress, also very nicely done up. New flat, that's why you have ACs. There is one big wardrobe, huge wardrobe, and a study table also. So for work from home is also very easy from here, not that difficult. And again a balcony, just you can smoke up, you can do whatever you want to in this place. And now we are going further to the common washroom. So yeah, so this is me. Hi Samir. So yeah, so jokes apart, this is also good, decent, newly done up washroom. Now the master bedroom. The bed is again a king size, and yeah, and I have again same thing. There's mirror, and again hi, this is Samir's back. Yeah, so again there's a mirror. There's a wardrobe, there's a study table, everything is there in the flat. Now just let's see the balcony of this. It's a proper enlarged balcony. It's not just a balcony, it's an enlarged balcony. This is going up to full, just see there's mosquito netting and everything there. So it's nice. So the true value of balcony is shown in this pandemic, where you are not able to get out, but you can enjoy here. Just look at the balcony. Nice it is. You can flower it, keep it as you want. So, but the room size is pretty nice, decent, you can say. It has basically a king size bed, side table, big wardrobe, and a dressing table type of thing. Yeah. Now we are going further to the second room, which second master bedroom. So again a decent size, neat and enough washroom. What else we need? Okay, good king size bed, a wardrobe, study table, dressing table, and a side table, and again a balcony. And again there is no apartment which is seeing each other. That is the best part of the flat. Like, it is incredible part of the flat. So yeah, so that's it from my end. The rent is very affordable. Please make sure that you come and see this apartment, and also please like and subscribe my channel to give you more of this flat. Thank you, take care. So I'm back again. I am showing you the building. So it's raining, so please, there will be slightly, but as you can see, it's a nice building, decent size, decent compound, and the best part is there's no slum around. Just check it out. It's very close to the main road, and not yet on the main road. There's not even a single slum around, and everything you get is nearby. Building looks absolutely fantabulous, and yeah, Galaxy Exotica. Hoping to see you soon, very soon.